Hello. Zomi Nam.
Hello.
Hey, happy Zomi National Day, guys.
Alungdam huai Zomi Nam Ni mo.
My name is Kyle Kappers. I work at Whirlpool as the training leader.
In Whirlpool la training leader hin kamin ben car hi.
It is an honor to be here today and have the opportunity to speak to you.
Tuni na no te kinga chu tom no gen trading le hita ka no te kong kihel khak man nak tak pin lungdaming.
I'm here to say thank you.
Lungdam loying.
I want to say thank you to the Zomi community for your support and your prayers.
Hi Zomi in ko na Zomi kipawlna na tom dom te tunga ikipan pi na te hangin na lungdam ang ko noming.
I also want to say thank you to all the Zomi who work at Whirlpool for their hard work and dedication.
Wow. Zomi Whirlpool la nasep zong han chiam nyat zong kipeng nyat nak tak pinato te khem petong lungdam ang going.
Whirlpool Corporation is the world's leading major home appliance company.
Whirlpool pen hi in sung mo anwan buk lamai zong nas vanzat kempeu lamte abor leitunga akithei mama company hi.
With approximately $21 billion in annual sales.
Kum khadina 21 Oh, billion som ni lekhat bang mo kum khata na kizwak mo van kibawl te kizwak hi.
92,000 employees worldwide.
Leitung bupa tur som kole tuni bang nasem kineina.
And 70 manufacturing and technology centers around the world.
Company building facility tampi mo som sagi bang leitunga om hi.
The company has been in operation for over 100 years.
Hi company pen bang chidia van akibor zo kumza phata.
And markets Whirlpool, KitchenAid, Maytag, Amana, Genair, Indesit, and other major brand names in nearly every country around the world.
Leitunga to brand name mate to Ivan zatte mo to Maytag te zong mate to Whirlpool ngia le zong mo to Iziketit ta te zong nam tampi tak te to minne tampi tak te bol hi.
Whirlpool Corporation operates on the foundation of 5 values that guide our company and how we do business.
Whirlpool company na to pi guilet nga to na sem hi.
These values are respect, integrity,
to guilet chut nga te la ka khat na za tak na chi tak na,
diversity and inclusion, teamwork, and the spirit of winning.
nam kim nam chin na, and sep khop na, and the last one
Spirit of winning.
le dau pai gwal zo nuam nya chi lung tang ngai sut na.
As a team, working together and demonstrating these values, we will continue to have a successful manufacturing plant here in Tulsa.
Tua guilet pi nam nga teng to hi Whirlpool ezong nasa takin kidau pai ma malai ding hi.
In case some of you didn't know, Whirlpool Tulsa
Whirlpool Tulsa athei khalo zen nom kha kule
produces freestanding and slide-in ranges.
wa banga tua yan huan na oveniti te ma de bolzia jai ve wa hita ka tur sa penin mo.
Families and individuals all over the US and Canada use the ranges we build right here in Tulsa.
Canada ai zong US ai zong in kwan tampi takina tua Whirlpool panaki bol an huan na te kizang hi.
All over the country, there are people enjoying the outcome of our work. Every day they use the products that we build.
Nisimina to Ivan bol te kizangina gambupa Ivan bol to an huan na bol na te hangin kilungdam ma mahi.
There's a lot that goes into making a range in Tulsa. There are workers in our fabrication department.
Fabrication department. In here Tulsa to fabrication department chi teo minamo.
This is where they take the raw steel, feed it into a press, and that press cuts and folds it into usable parts.
Tua muna sik te ma de a choa bol na mo a chian pan na choa bol na kam mun khat oma tua ta ka ki bol na.
These workers operate the presses.
Tua te na bang chi ya sik tan na zong ma de sik go na zong te set le ne na.
And stack the parts into containers and racks to be used for later.
Tua te na van te pen kuang sung lo sung te ang guang ina to chang ina van zat thei ding na munang puak kek ding
There are workers who work in our finish department.
to zoma azo na lam nasepna ahoi lam aman kon lam nasepna omina
This is where they take some of those raw steel parts
to azo kon lam nasepna te to sik achian pana ahoya ki bolte lawina
and paints them with either porcelain powder or enamel.
to zazu na tom te to ake zu sizade
These workers move the parts from one conveyor line to another.
to te na nasep lai khat panina mun khat panen mun khata ban zomen kai na semina
So the parts can go through all the different stages of that department.
to van te pen nasep na mun kem pe wa amau avan te ki paisa koi hi
There are workers who work in our inventory departments.
nasem hon khatte na van kep na lama na semuina
This is the department that operates inventory equipment like forklifts to deliver parts to the other areas of the plant.
to inventory ki chilam te na van te forklift te khong jam na van puak ding lam te jong ong semu hi
These workers drive forklifts and tuggers and use them to pick up and to deliver parts all over the plant.
to te na forklift khong to jong van puak na dang te tom te jong jang ina mun khat panen mun khat van te puak hi
Of course, there are workers in our assembly departments.
to ki chana zoma assembly ki chi ma de in van sep na sep na pual pia jong omina
These are the areas that take all of those parts
to na sep na pual pia chi le na om khem pe sep digom khem ki semena
both those we make in our factory and those we get from our supplier.
mundang vanong puak te kheng pana inga te jong amundang pana a company mun building khat pana ki bol te jong to ta ka gom toina
And assembles them into a quality product that our customers can enjoy.
customer te de ma ding van hoi pi na to ta ka assembly muna ki bol hi
These workers perform a variety of different tasks and jobs each day.
nisimina na sep nam tampi tak sep siam na tom to ki semina
To assemble every part and connect them all together.
na amal malina golina bol ngia china ki sem hi
Everything you see and use when you cook on a Whirlpool range
to an huan na Whirlpool rank te namu te na van ning te kempel
is assembled, inspected, and tested on our assembly lines.
to nasep namu na ki semin ki bolin asia pa ki en chicken to chang na ki man sakhi
And last but not least,
anunung pen atu pi low hitwan jet low
there are workers who work in our distribution area.
nasem dangte na bangchia van apuakhia nasem tem hi azwakhia nasem tem hi
These are the workers who drive specialized clamp forklifts
to te na forklift tuam nyet alian zo ala wa zo de nam te le hiwina
to pick up the finished product and load trucks to be shipped out to our suppliers.
van ki mansa zat thei ding om sa te hoi takina dom takina likuina aputhei mo te tu tunga ko yu hi
And we are thankful that the Zomi people are part of all of that.
to teng kem pe zomi te hi tengin tampi takinong se pi man to hangina lungdamung
The relationship Whirlpool has with the Zomi community is one that benefits both parties.
Whirlpool tele hi zomi ong sem te ikizop nai na Whirlpool adinga zongina zomi te no man phat na lian piom hi
Whirlpool employees enjoy great benefits,
Whirlpool hi le benefit chi na ma de phat tuam na chidam na tuam tampi ta komina
like competitive pay, health insurance upon hire,
bangda khong yam chi le khasum zong hoi insurance khong zong ma de chidam na ding kidal na ting lo hoi
401k match, as well as being part of a strong global company.
to ki chiang hi da bangcha e khang chin chiang a sum zat ki ding a ki chi 401k te khong zong tampi pi match ong ki pia mong ki koi sak ong ki belap sak
With a stable history here in Tulsa.
ajia kina tursa bangchi dia akip mo abei mang ziao ziao lo akip company hiya
And Whirlpool benefits from the dedication and strong work ethic of the Zomi people.
to hi na zomi te nasep nop lung tang le ku kal lung tang hangina Whirlpool ina tampi tak phat tuam na kinga hi
We are honored that so many of the Zomi people
in Zomi tampite tak hangin ako te kipakiung.
have chosen Whirlpool as their place of work and have a career.
Whirlpool nasem nong paina nasem mun hoi tak le nasem hoi mi tak nong suak manina kipakiung.
So I want to say thank you to all you who work at Whirlpool
Whirlpool asem kempu te tunga lungdam ong chipapa nuaming.
and help us be successful.
Nong daw bangcia daw pai lo ching dingina nong panpi manuna lungdamung.
And I want to say thank you to all you who support those who work at Whirlpool.
Whirlpool asem thedingina anabor sa kay jong mate apan pi kempu in kon pi te jong to te kempu tunong lungdam luaung.
I also want to say thank you to all who purchase Whirlpool appliances
Whirlpool van alayng yat azang te kempu tunong lungdam ong ko son layung.
and support our products and our brands.
In vante ong panpi ong tapia kempu tunga lungdam hiung.
Please continue to think of Whirlpool
And Whirlpool pen na nga isud na sungkupan ong no sepa kayun.
as a company you can work for
In company nasepna di munhoy company kadahilam.
and a company whose products you can have in your home.
Ina van zading van hoy ball company ahilam mangil kayun.
Thank you again for the privilege of attending Zomi National Day.
Zomi Nam Ni na kong kiel khang mane lungdam loing.
It has been a privilege to get to know some of you personally and be able to work with you guys every day.
No teng lak panen hon khat mi mal ai tua mi na ong thei kha kai men tua jong lungdaming. Na sem khom thei khai mane lungdaming.
I have had the privilege of learning about the Zomi people
Zomi te thu sin kha thei kha kai men lungdaming.
and have truly enjoyed the relationships I've developed over the years.
Hun te ong pai tua hun sunga inga kilom tan na tuen nak tak pina lungkim nang pia hi.
The hard work and
Nana sephan chen nau
good attitudes
na lungsim migit nau
and smiling faces
na mai tai na teu
of the Zomi people
Zomi te mai tai na te
are an encouragement,
na tapiak siam na te
and it's a privilege to know you.
toy manin na no te to ikit khang manin na lungdam lo hiang
It has been wonderful to be part of your journey,
no te kalsuan na luhek na kong ki hel khang manin lungdaming
and I am thankful that you have been part of ours.
toy manin ko te kalsuan na no te na sa takin nong pan manin lungdaming.
Langda mama.
Thank you very much, sir.